Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to ensure your Trust Wallet is set up securely and authentically. First, it is crucial to download the genuine Trust Wallet application. Always get it directly from official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store, or from the official Trust Wallet website. Double-check that the developer is listed as dApps Platform Software Services Limited to avoid counterfeit versions. This initial step is vital for your security, as Trust Wallet itself does not require personal identity verification. Once you have the authentic app, the next step is to create a new wallet or import an existing one. During this process, you will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. It grants full access to your funds. You must write it down physically on paper and store it in a secure, private location. Never store it digitally, take screenshots, or share it with anyone. Losing this phrase means losing your assets, and sharing it means giving away control. Maintaining your wallet's security is an ongoing process. Always enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, or set a strong, unique passcode for your app. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Never click suspicious links or enter your recovery phrase on untrusted websites. Additionally, regularly check and revoke permissions for any decentralized applications or dApps you have connected to your wallet. This proactive approach helps protect your digital assets from unauthorized access. It is important to understand that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning it does not require any identity verification or kick from its users. Your verification is your complete control over your private keys and recovery phrase. Trust Wallet never holds your funds or personal data. Therefore, your security relies entirely on your diligence. Always double-check all transaction details, including recipient addresses and amounts, before confirming any action to ensure your assets go exactly where you intend.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.